И всех приветствую, дорогие друзья, вы на канале... короче, переговорю. Так, и всех приветствую, дорогие друзья, вы на канале Мистер Изумруд, и это прохождение The Wolf Among Us. Мы остановились на каком-то книжке, которой я не знаю, что делать. Что сделать, ребята? Ой, вернемся обратно. Я не знаю. Что мне вообще делать? О, там что-то есть. Все. Да, смотрите. Наверное, теперь надо к зеркалу. Посмотрим. Magic Mirror. Mirror Sage.
Blah blah able blah 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 about this fable.
Of which fable do you wish to know?
Father Prince.
He's a prince, I think. Show me Prince Lawrence. What's he been doing? Where is this?
Where's what?
Do you know where Prince Lawrence lives?
If he's a prince, probably relocated in the South Bronx. Yellow building, red window shutters.
Red frames.
Yep, that's the one. I can take us there.
Show me Faith's father, the old king.
Он сдох.
Guess that crosses him off the suspect list.
И Фейт.
Show me Faith.
Through powerful magic, her whereabouts concealed. Unfortunately for you, these lips are sealed.
What?
These lips are sealed. It's not my choice of phrasing, Bigby. It's simply the way this has to be.
Nobody right now.
Anything we can use?
Yeah, that'll have to do for now.
Come on, we're going over there.
Я правильно все сделал. О, позвонили. Кто позвонил?
Sorry, I have to get that.
Кто же позвонил?
Hello, Woodland's business office. Yes, He is. Hold on. Bigby, it's for you.
Бэгби, это к тебе.
Bigby, it's me, Toad. You there?
Гламур.
Toad, got your glamour yet? Yeah, it's fine. Bigby, shit. Listen, right, there's a bloke upstairs going through all the woodsman's things. Get over here, Bigby, before he... wait, hang on. Oi, shit. Hurry!
What was that about?
Hard to say. Something going on over at Toad's place.
What about Faith's husband?
I don't know, I couldn't really tell. But he could be in trouble. And we should go there anyway to search our apartment. Toad might have to
Мне показалось,
wait.
что там кто-то стрелял, а под конец я понял, что там кто-то
Whenever you're ready.
случилось. Ну, теперь у нас это дверь может открываться. Бизнес-офис. Какой же он бизнес?
Did Toad say who was there? Was it the woodsman?
I don't know, it's possible. Whoever it was, it didn't seem like Toad was happy to see him.
Well, maybe Prince Lawrence can wait.
Yeah, he didn't see him. He could use some help, too.
Well, where to first?
Bigby, shit. Listen, right, there's a bloke upstairs going through all the woodsman's
You
things.
think he did it? What's her husband's name?
Lawrence. Prince Lawrence.
Блин, пойти к этому, к Тоду или к Лавренсу? Я пойду к Тоду.
Bigby, it's me, Toad. Bigby, shit. Listen, right, there's a bloke upstairs. Toad sounds like he needs help right now. We can check in on Prince Lawrence.
В общем, тот нам кто?
Not
Тот
looking
нам
forward to breaking the news to him anyway.
хороший друг, жаба, и мы ему разбили машину. Все. А Лавренс? Кто это такой Лавренс? Ёпта. Мне он вообще не надо. Лучше пойду Тоду еще одну машину разобью, чем Лавренсу одну.
And we ended up going out the window, and I landed on Toad's car.
You guys made a real mess.
Вот кого-то разбитая
Looks worse than
машина.
the day.
Вон мы оттуда выбились. Выпали.
Is somebody up there?
Случайно. Эй, Тод.
Hey! Wait here.
Кто-то напал. Тод, бедный Тод. Тод. Ты где? Ты где?
Shit!
Бляха-муха. Бедный Тод.
I'm sorry!
That's enough, all right? Just shut it! Should probably get that fixed.
Это
Well,
результат
it doesn't make
после
this much
нашей
of a
битвы.
mess.
Is that his son?
Toads, I think.
Гайка.
Be nice in there,
Гайка
okay?
в ухе. Классно.
Bigby! And Miss White! Surely you didn't come all this way just for my bother? Sorry, Bigby. It's embarrassing to have to admit, but I thought there was someone else in Woody's place. There wasn't, though. Not when I checked. Nothing but a leaky drain pipe. Imagination must have got the best of me. So, you know, false alarm. Sorry for dragging Miss White into this. We heard someone crying. Oh, the boy stubbed his toe on the bed frame is all. It stings, you know, but it's nothing to kick up a fuss about. A little tub swim, he'll be right as rain, I'm sure.
Are you alright?
He's fine, Miss White. Just stung his little toe. Better swimmer than walker, just like his dad.
Wanna...
So, I guess you'll be taking off now. No need to hang around here anymore. I mean, I'm sorry you came all the way here for nothing. But it was nothing, really.
Что?
I just don't want to waste
Я
your
ж
time, is
нажимал.
all. But all right.
Ай,
Have a
ё-моё.
seat. Have a cup of tea. Whatever you like.
Phew. Grown-ups.
Ты
Am I
изменил
right?
сюжет.
Hey, you know what? Flycatcher said you had a pretty awesome insect collection. I'd really love to see it. Is it in your room?
It has a weevil.
Cool.
Just mind the upholstery while you're looking for nothing. Yeah, sure thing.
Я не понял, что сейчас произошло, но очень интересно.
Your lock's busted. Eh? The lock. It looks like somebody kicked in the door. For Christ's sake, the fucking lock's been busted for weeks, mate. Right, it's just like everything else in this bloody building. lamp's broke too. Fucking hell. Damn thing must have fell off a table. The lamp just fell off the table. You know, with this place, it's like living on a foundation of termites, it is. All so cheap, it's a wonder it stays standing as long as it does. I need to get a dustpan one of these days. Look, you want me out of here? I want out of here. Just come clean. What's going on? Place needs a little brooming, that's all.
17 years later. Ладно. Тук-тук-тук.
Though most people think they are.
Uh-huh. How's it going?
Toad's hiding something, but I don't know what yet. Did the kid say anything?
No, nothing really. He was really upset, though, earlier. He won't say why. Something's going on.
Stay with the kid until I figure out what.
Теперь-то к нему.
Just tell me what's going on. What is it?
Ладно. Ёпта. Да ёпта! Ой, спустись. Или я тебе врежу. Кровь. Кровь. Кровь.
Bleeding? Why? Is that blood?
Ой.
Still fresh? Oh, well, I cut me hand. Ran around like a tit trying to pick out a wrap. Must have got some on the furnishments.
Надо было, наверное, к тому челу ехать, там где кинжал у него
It's
был.
awful, I know. Sounds painful. Oi,
Папа.
don't you go mother-inning now. The wound didn't sit
А вдруг сейчас
very
потом
long.
нас бы подрезать,
It's been
такие,
a pain, I
«Ау!»
suppose.
И мы бы лежали по тебе. Все, игра окончена. Ладно, пойдем посмотрим, что здесь у нас. Столешница.
More blood? No.
Какой
Just a
столешница?
clean
Стол.
space in the dust.
Просто стол.
Ah, maybe one of Junior's toys or
Yes,
something.
sure.
I mean, who knows? If you're gonna say something, out with it.
Ой, ты как... Сюда, сюда, сюда.
Broken lamp used to be here, right? Just tell me what happened. Nothing happened, mate. Nothing. And why did the lamp have to be there? Of all the blooming pointless inquiries. It's my own place. Don't you think I know what happens in it? I don't know. Something about it seems fishy. Oi, dancing broomsticks and talking toasters are one little thing, but a wolf in sheriff's clothing can't fathom a knocked over desk light?
Так. Опа.
Could do a better job dusting, or no? So what happened? What happened? There's fresh blood on the tip. I could smell it from the door. I was poking the coals and it slipped a bit. Sliced up in my foot like a seashell. Looked like a shit ugly thing. Okay, Sheriff, now what?
Так, что мы выберем?
Oh, it's a fire iron is all, you ponderous wanker. We're not playing 10 little Indians here. It's a simple accident.
Ну ладно. Ладно, ну. Ладушки, ладушки, где же
Oh my
Умба?
God, will you not make a big faff out of this? There's nothing to solve here, Sheriff. I'm telling you everything that happened. Why don't you believe me? I mean, things happen, you know. Something happened here, Toad. I'm not sure what exactly, but I know you're lying about something. But I'm not. And you're just gonna make it worse for yourself the longer you keep up the act. I'm not bullshitting you. Honest. We'll see.
Так. челику подойти нельзя? Нет. К окну можно. Посмотрим. Ребятки, сейчас, минутку, мне надо отойти кое-куда. Вы подождите, окей? Окей. Договорились.